Last year, we introduced our premium carry-on. Light, durable, with everything you need to travel effortlessly. Awesome, right? Now thousands of people are loving their KABUTO, including me. It's just the right size for short trips. Today, we are back with a bigger piece of luggage. We called it the trunk. Who has time for this kind of hassle? The front pocket stores your valuables, secured and always accessible when you need them. Now, let's talk about durability. You should not be afraid to check your luggage. Our luggage is not treated the way it should when we are traveling. So, we gave it a flat design as well, with a retractable handle. Now, you can check in your KABUTO with peace of mind. Oh, and even put your laptop on it. Or your lunch. That's cool. The KABUTO trunk opens vertically, which means space saving, optimization, and organization. I wouldn't have done it like that. Maybe more like this. Oh yeah, it's modular. With the KABUTO trunk, the mess is over. Please, tell this guy about our product. All we are looking for on a long trip is some space. With such a large volume, the KABUTO is just awesome. This is what you see, and that is what you'll feel. Whoa! It's dizzying. With the battery in his front pocket, he's free everywhere. Cheers to that. Today, we need to stay connected. Yeah, we can give you this advantage. Once again, please, inform this guy about us. Ah, finally! He got it! Good for him! Oh, if like this guy you realize that you need a KABUTO trunk, back us, today! I mean, back us now.